Hello YouTube, my name is Joshua Stanton. I've been a mechanic for almost 20 years. Right here we have a 1996 Chevy Lumina 3.1. If you're having a no crank, no start issue, one of the first things I would ask you to do before you start spending too much money is look down here to where you see a wiring harness to your starter, and you want to yank those things around, make sure there's no loose wires, because that's exactly what ended up happening to me, and that's after I spent a bunch of money for no reason.